It's a 2017 Cadillac Escalade. Cadillac was meticulous about what went into building this Escalade so you can get whatever you want out of it. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: automatic transmission, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the console, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, entertainment system with Blu-ray, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and Ecotec 3 engine. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.